Listen, fried crispy wonton, 70 baht. Just to give you an idea, 30 baht or 31 baht right now is $1. So that's about $2.10. So just to give you an idea, 30 baht is $1. So 5 times 3 is 150 baht. So that makes that $5 for this. So that's pretty much the way you kinda gotta figure it out. 30 baht is $1. Give or take, whatever. But the food here is so fantastic. Let me show you guys this and I'll flip out. Look at this. So this is obviously fake. But we went ahead and ordered some. Look how many duck eggs, chicken eggs on. That's only $10, $3, 10, right? $4, 400 baht, right? Something for baht. Good deal, huh? Look at that. It's a turkey. What is that?
It's fried noodles
With the mimosa. And then that one is...
You smell the chili, huh?
Oh, look, we can all share. Very good, thank you.
Little by little. Wow.
Chopstick.
Yeah, I can get to the room.
You walk to the plaza.
Right over there, that's the kind. The restaurant there, the halal. All right.
Yes.
All right, the street food here in Thailand. This is the red district. Just keep going. It's fish, Thai fish. Wow. Some nice fish, bro. You guys cooking them all up.
What is that? Halal.
You can get your drinks too, and you get some fried stuffs over here. All kinds of different things you can get. Time now is 2 o'clock in the morning on a Monday, bro. For real. These are all the spices this guy has. Wow, look at these fresh fruits this guy has all lined up. This, my friends, is what you call street food. Oh, look at that. Nice flowers. Alright. Selling beer too if you want beer. Satay. Alright. Oh, fish. He's frying fish. Wow. Just frying fish.
Tilapia.
No look like tilapia, but look like some kind of stream fish. More street food.